In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set parental controls on your PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. So first, go to settings. In settings, go to family and parental controls. Then here, go to PS5 console restrictions. And you will need to enter the passcode. So if you have not set any passcode, the default passcode is 000 and 0. So you have to press the box 4 times, and this is the default passcode. And now you are in the PS5 console restrictions, and from here the first thing we see here is user creation and guest login. So you can allow this or don't allow. And then here is the second thing, parental controls for new users, and here you will see the age level for games and apps. So if you go on the PS5 age level for games and apps, here you can select your country and you will see the ratings of games that can be played. And then here you can set the age levels, and here you can set the PS4 age level for games and apps. And here you can restrict or allow the Blu-ray disc, DVD, country or region, use of PlayStation VR 2 and PlayStation VR, and web browsing. So from here you can also change all of these settings, like temporary disable PS5 console restrictions, or you can also change your console restriction passcode. And from, if you go back, and here you will see family management, and if you go in family management, here you can add a family member, but you have to go to the following website and select the family management to create a child account or invite an adult with an existing account. So this is how you can change the or set the parental controls on your PS5. Thanks for watching.